I'm gonna get you started with the Laravel Request Analytics package under 60 seconds. First, you need to run this composer command in your project terminal, which you can find in the official GitHub repository, right there. Let's run the command. Once that's done, we need to run another command to publish the assets and migrations and some other files to get things working, which is this one, PHP artisan Request Analytics install. Now let's do it. It's gonna ask us some questions like, would you like to run the migrations or not? I'm gonna stick with the yes option. And now it also asks, would you like to start our repo on GitHub? I'm gonna stick to yes for now, and this will take us to the GitHub repository, and you can find more information in there. And now you can visit the route called Analytics to display the Request Analytics dashboard of your application. There you go. Here is your analytics dashboard, which you can use to track your website performance and see the user insights. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.